हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम लोग रीड करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 4th की CBSE बुक आवर अर्थ चैप्टर 16 क्लीन सेफ वाटर। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नाउ दैट वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द वेरियस सोर्स ऑफ वाटर, वी हैव टू नीड to understand the importance of clean water and the causes of water pollution. Have you noticed the water purifying gadgets in your kitchen? Has your mother scolded you for drinking the water by directly filling the glass from the tap? What is the reason behind both these things? Let us read about it in this lesson. Water pollution. Water become polluted by the industrial, agricultural and domestic wastage discarded into the water bodies. The factories dump their chemicals and other untreated wastage into the river. Farmers use pesticides and other chemical fertilizers for keeping away the pests and to have good harvest. These chemicals move into the underground water and pollute it, spilling oil from ships and tankers into the ocean, make it dirty and harm aquatic life. Several other activities like immersing the idols of deities into water, throwing ashes of dead bodies, washing clothes and bathing animals pollute water. All these activities must be controlled as supply of fresh water is limited. Moreover, they lower down the quality of water. Third effect of water pollution. Several harmful effects are caused by pollution of water. Here are some of them. Pollution of water causes waterborne disease like diarrhea, jaundice and dysentery. It can also cause skin disease. Mosquitoes breed on dirty water and cause disease like dengue, malaria and chikungunya. Many fish and other aquatic animals die due to poisonous substances that are discharged into water. Crops can be destroyed if irrigated with the polluted water. Soil also become infertile in this account. Protecting water bodies. We must try to practice these ways to protect water. Avoid throwing wastage into water bodies. Wastage from factories must be treated before being discharged into river and lakes. Pipeline for drinking water and sewage must be at distance from each other to avoid any leakage of dirty water into drinking water. Bathing, urinating and defecating near water bodies should be banned. Overuse of fertilizers and pesticides should be avoided, and awareness should be created among the people about ill effects of pollution. Potable water. Potable water is the water that is safe for drinking. Water from different sources of water like river, lakes and wells can be made safe by the following ways. Boiling kills germs in the water. It must be boiled for some time, cooled, strained and stored in clean container. Solid impurities in the water can be removed by filtration. These are many gadgets available in the market for filtration of water. Chlorination is adding of chlorine, a chemical, to water. It kills the germs in the water. Bleaching powder or potassium permanganate are added to the wells in villages to keep their water germ free. Water purification plant. Water treatment is the process by which water is made safe for use. Here is what happened to the water in this plant. Water from the water bodies like rivers and lakes is sent to the treatment plant through pipelines. It go to the sedimentation tank where big solid impurities like leaves, twine, etc. settle down. After this, water moves into the sand bed to remove tiny impurities. Alum and chlorine are the chemical added to the water. Chlorine kills germs. The water is pumped into water tank from where it reach our houses through a network of pipe. Handling water safety. Store water in clean and covered utensils. Use water with clean hands and drink it in a clean glass. Overhead tanks should be regularly cleaned. Avoid storage of drinking water for a long time. Use a long handled ladle to take out water from the pots. Water conservation. Judicious use of water can save it. Conserving water means sensible usage of water. Do not let water running while brushing your teeth or bathing. Repair leaking tap immediately. Use a bucket and a mug for bathing and washing vehicles. Try to reuse water after washing fruits and vegetables, for watering the plants or cleaning the house. Water plants early in the morning or late in the evening as it reduces loss of water by evaporation. Save water. Water is precious. Thank you.